And now to my rifles. We got 22 semi-automatic. Has a 20 round clip. The Mountain. I don't know if you can read that. But it says Mountain Man Commemorative Special Edition. And bolt-in action. And this spot right here is how you load the. You got the tube slot. The 20 round clip. This sucker, I can hit a dime from 50 yards away. Open sights. We got my hunting rifle. This is a 30-06 pump action with a scope. This goes made by Simmons. We got three by 9 by 32 zoom. It's a Remington model 7600. This rifle has a 4 round clip with the pump action load. It's left handed. Also have the option of iron sights if you want. The scope's up high enough. You have the option of scope or iron sights. I use always scope. Then another similar model of 30-06. Model 7400. Two models older. It's a Springfield, Remington Springfield as well. And Bushnell Trophy scope with a wide angle lens. Also has a 4 round clip, semi-automatic. Another 30-06 Springfield Model 742 Woodmaster. Bushnell 4x by 12x zoom. Semi-automatic. 4 round clip. Still interchangeable clips between these 30-06s. It fits every one of them. I prefer the pump action myself. An old style 22. Looks like all engravings are. Oh, here we go. It's Winchester. Model 190, old school. It's got about, I'd say about a 12 round clip with it's also going to be a tube clip. It's pretty accurate. It's Pretty old rifle, still in good shape though. Passed down to me from my grandpa. Then my little sister's 270 hunting rifle, Remington model 710 with a Bushnell scope as well. This is lever action, or sorry, bolt action. It's, I believe her clips are on either between a 4 and 6 round clip. Here's another 270 model 700, bolt action as well. I believe these two bolt actions can hold about, or that one's got a magazine, this one's actually got an internal magazine. Internal, I believe can hold 4. Then I got my little 22 here that I can fire about as fast as you can fire an AK. And it's got a banana clip that holds about 20 rounds as well. It's semi-automatic. It's collapsible.